Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's RG at Armadillo Junction. We're going to do a little pit barrel cooking today with some chicken thighs. We're going to do a head-to-head competition with KosmoQ's Dirty Bird and Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. So we're going to do a little head-to-head comparison here, see who comes out the winner. Anyway, y'all stick around. I'll take y'all outside and see what I got going on. Alright, here's what we're starting with. We got the KosmoQ's Dirty Bird versus Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. We've been marinating up here. Got the Uncle Steve's Gator Shake on there, and we got the KosmoQ's Dirty Bird. We're gonna get them on the pit barrel and let them go. Excuse me, I'm doing this one-handed today. I just want to do something real quick. Didn't want to set up all the tripods and mess. We're going to do a smoking for a little while at the normal pit barrel temp. Then we're going to crank it up and cook it the rest of the way. Alright, there we go. We got our chicken thighs on. Put the lid on and get back with you in a little bit. Alright, we were an hour into it. We're going to go ahead and flip these dudes over. Oh boy, it's smelling good. So what I like about the pit barrel, you just put it on there and walk away. You don't have to worry about it. Alright, there you go. Alright, these dudes are done basically. So we're going to put on a little bit of sauce and just glaze up a few of them. I want to leave some of them unglazed for the taste test. Putting on a little Head Country apple habanero. We'll let these sit a few more minutes in here, then we'll get them off and do a little bit of taste testing. Alright, I got the Angels and Outlaw cookers going to do the taste test for the Uncle Steve's Gator Shake and the KosmoQ's Dirty Bird. They don't know which one's which. They're just going to tell me which one's the best. So y'all go for it. And they don't want to be on camera, so all you're going to see is hands. I spiced underneath the skin and on top of the skin. These don't have any barbecue sauce on them, just straight up spice. We'll have a shootout here, see which one the majority thinks is the best. Then I'll take a bite. No, there's the two on the left and two on the right. They're the same. Well, y'all can talk out loud. They can't see you.
I like the first one so far, but we haven't tried this one. This one, no.
Those are the same. Those two are the
These
same.
two, oh, that one, by far.
Those two and those two.
This one tastes
The first
plain.
one's really good. I don't think the fourth one has any flavor.
This
That
one
first
don't
one,
have any flavor.
I'd eat that on my own. First one's really good.
This one is kind of plain.
Kind of plain.
That has flavor, smoke, everything.
That's interesting. All right, well, here we go. Uncle Steve's Shake.
I knew that. I liked it.
Uncle Steve's Gator Shake won the taste test. That's surprising because straight out of the bottle, that's a little too lemony flavor for me, but
Oh, no.
let me give it a taste.
I like that one.
Put a good flavor in it.
Mm-hmm. That one, to me, the first one tasted like it had more flavor through the meat too than it did just on the surface.
I like the first one.
Mm-hmm.
Even kind of has a little kick to it, and that's good.
But not the not like
it
not
bothers
like
you.
if you don't like spicy food, you won't like this. It's not like that.
No.
For some reason, those tasted more smoky flavored.
That's what I'm saying. I like
When they're cooked exactly the same on the same pit. These had a little, I don't know.
I like the first one, definitely.
Let me see.
Try the skin on this one.
Okay.
Yep.
You have more chicken, right?
I like that one.
I like both of them.
They don't compare.
To me, they don't compare.
Me either.
That's hands down better.
Okay, there you go. They like the Uncle Steve's shake, the Gator shake.
Yeah.
They're gonna call that the winner. I'm still undecided.
Oh, it sounds
And
about
then
it.
technically we're
That's just not.
well
Oh, I know.
we outrule her.
This for sure has more salty flavor. I think that's probably why they like it better. I don't know. That's interesting.
I just think that one feels like it has flavor throughout the meat more.
Anyway, there you go. Uncle Steve's shake, Gator shake, is the winner of the chicken thigh pit barrel competition. Until next time, we'll see y'all down the road.